Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Been out here working on the Durango. Made pretty good progress. Told you guys I was going to upload it Friday or Saturday. So this is going to upload Saturday night. Hopefully it'll be done tonight. If not, you'll see it in the morning. But hey, what's up? Did some console work. The console is ready to be finished. I just got to go to the paint supply Monday when it opens, because today's Saturday. They closed early and tomorrow they're not open. But this is our console. That's a bad boy. Eating some Cheetos. So we're going to have a Crescendo 10 here. Crescendo 10 on the opposite side as well, firing out. We got our switch panel here. We made a little armrest with some cup holders. And then you got the two Crescendo 8s. And then it'll be finished. I got a little bit more body work to do. And then it'll be time to spray. I'm not exactly sure. I haven't decided on how I'm going to spray the console itself yet. But we're going to be powering the mids and highs off of a Crescendo Symphony 150F, 1500.1F. It works hella good. I know we had it in Ray's Tahoe, but that's for another video. As you, the Tonka truck, and we'll be starting work on it. I started pulling the wiring out of this truck, and all I got to say is, if you don't know what you're doing, do not attempt to wire a vehicle. I'll go ahead and show you guys why now. This is the wiring that come out of the truck. This, let's see, this one right here, that was off of the alternator. And for those of you that don't know, these are for household use, like breaker boxes and things like that. Not for audio, not for automotive. This right here, this was the hot wire coming from the battery up front. I clipped it just to get it out of the way. But this is, it looks like 4 gauge. It's tiny as hell. I mean, compared to the Sky High stuff. But the problem with this was, they came into the cab right here. Yes, Joseph, I see you. You working? That dirty boy. But it came into the cab right here and went to this right here. And then off of this right here, yes, I see. It went to this right here. And then from here, I don't know if you guys can see, but that is speaker wire. Taped. And then it goes, can I see, sir? Thank you. It went into one wire right there. This came off the alternator to the battery. This part was on the battery. These were grounds. This one right here wasn't even connected. The wire was just sitting. This right here was, I don't know which one this was. This is where, no. This is where the ground wire came into the cab and went to whatever it went to. But don't charge people for that shit. If you're going to do that, just don't. Because that is the poorest excuse I've ever seen in my life. And I've seen some pretty shady shit for installation. And the thing that boggles me a little bit more than anything is I think he used about 13 rolls of electrical tape to do this. Why didn't you at least tape this garbage right here? The factory ground he cut, and it wasn't long enough, so he extended it. But I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see. Let me get focused. There's only about 3 strands in this little crimp right here. The rest of it's over here. I don't even know. I don't know what's going on here. Now we got some light. This is where all the grounds were on the frame. And I don't know if you can see, but that shit isn't even like cleaned off. The only reason it's scraped clean is because one of those big ass AC connectors was on it. So, the frame wasn't even cleaned off for the grounds. But we're getting it all fixed up. We're going to be installing this Slam Panda battery delete up front. We've got this coming off the alt. We're going to get another one. We're going to have 2 runs off the alt to 2 runs going back. We're going to have our factory wires all connected up here like they're supposed to be. And then, oh, excuse me, Joseph. In here, Of course, you know we're gonna hide all these wires, but that's where the ground wire went through the floor down to a bolt that was right there. Which, you know, that probably wasn't that bad, but it won't grate either. But as you can see, there's our box. I've got to finish sanding and everything like that to get it ready for spraying. Braced up, 45s, 45s, 45s. The box is solid, the box is ready. And then, as you've seen the console before, now I'm just working on wiring. I've got to pull the radio out, and from what the owner says, I'm kind of scared to see what's behind there. But that'll be in the next video. I just wanted to touch base with you guys and show you the progress that we're making here on the truck. Hopefully we'll get some tunes. Hopefully, well, I guarantee tunes in the next video. Realistically, the only thing I'm waiting for to put stuff in is to go get the liner to finish making the box the way that I want it to be, the console that I want it to be. We're going to be doing some orange LEDs up inside the truck just to match the switch panel and things like that. But that's an update on the Dakota. And if you don't know what you're doing, don't attempt to wire a truck. I'll holler at you guys in the next video. I'm out.